Ever wondered how to effectively use the Visualizations pane and Fields pane in Power BI? Well, the answer lies in understanding the functionalities of each pane and how they interact with each other to create stunning visualizations. The Visualizations pane is located on the right side of the Power BI desktop. If it's not immediately visible, a quick click on the Visualizations tab or a handy keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Alt+V, will bring it into view. This pane is a smorgasbord of chart types, tables, maps, and other visualization options. To create a visualization, simply drag the desired type onto the report canvas. Once you have a visualization on the canvas, the Fields pane springs into action. Here you can drag and drop fields into the appropriate areas in the Visualizations pane. This defines how the data should be represented. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Visualizations pane lets you customize the appearance of your visualizations. Select the visualization on the canvas and use the formatting options to adjust colors, fonts, titles, and other styling options. Feeling adventurous? You can also switch between different visualization types by selecting a different option in the Visualizations pane. Don't worry, Power BI will keep all the fields you've already assigned. To focus on specific subsets of your data, apply filters to individual visualizations using the Filters pane within the Visualizations pane. You can also sort and group data directly within the Visualizations pane to control the display order and organization of your visual elements. Now let's shift our focus to the Fields pane. It's typically on the right side of the Power BI desktop. If you can't find it, click on the Fields tab or press Ctrl+Alt+F. The Fields pane is like a library of all the fields from your data source. Tables are organized hierarchically, and you can expand them to view individual columns. Mastering the visualizations pane and Fields pane in Power BI is crucial for creating effective and insightful reports. These panes provide the tools to visually represent and interact with your data. So dive in and start experimenting with these features. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy data visualizing.